Basically, what Vizolution does is that we streamline complex customer journeys. We give technology to say the big bank to allow them to engage with that customer on an omni-channel basis, to make basically a remote experience the same as a face-to-face. For early stage companies, Wales provides a great incubation area for us. There was a number of great technologists down here. There was a great environment in which to build a business. And also, it's actually a very nice place to live. You know, we're close to the sea, we're good cost of living. We can hire top talent at a decent price. In terms of our workforce, we have about 130 people in the business as a whole, of whom about 110 are here in Wales. We found it a very, very dynamic market to recruit top technologists. We're literally right across the street from University of Swansea. We're working very, very closely with the universities to take top talent and bring them into our organization. Also, what we found is that there's a very, very good work ethic here in Wales and a great loyalty from employees to the businesses. In the very, very early days, we had a research grant from the Welsh government, which really helped drive our business forward. In addition, one of our major investors is the Development Bank of Wales, and we work very, very closely with them, and they've been an investor from our early days and have been hugely supportive of our entire growth to where we are today.